Hi, my name is Michelle George. I'm a freelance fashion, beauty and music photographer. I'm based in East London, but I do work around, and I'm just doing this video today to tell you a little bit about my experiences with alopecia and using the Reseed hair care products. I think it was at the beginning of this year sometime, after I'd washed my hair, I realised it was feeling particularly smooth at the back. So I got my iPhone and I recorded, because I couldn't see. And then, like, to my shock and horror, I realised I had this massive bald patch. And obviously, when you first see this, you just don't know. You just imagine all kinds of like health conditions. But I went to my family GP, and they diagnosed it as alopecia areata. I think that's the way you pronounce the second part. It's A-R-E-T-A, I think. But anyway, they printed out this this form to explain what it was, and it was quite scary, because even though obviously it wasn't life-threatening, but like the main picture on the front of the page was of like masses of bald patches, and it did say some people can go completely bald with this. And I was told by my GP at the time there was really nothing that they could give me other than a steroid. And I didn't want to take that. I didn't feel comfortable with taking that. And then I was recommended Reseed products. And at first, because I have tried various different shampoos, and because I work in the fashion beauty industry, I've used a lot of high-end hair care, and I had a lot of high-end hair care. And another thing I did notice that I didn't mention to you before was that the condition of my hair was also, it wasn't great. It was getting really greasy very, very quickly, and but the texture was quite strange, and my mum had noted it, and my hairdresser had also said it, and I didn't know whether that was, whether that was linked to it or whatever, but I did notice that my hair wasn't manageable. But anyway, so onto the Reseed products. I was recommended them. I got the shampoo, the conditioner, the solution and the serum. I didn't have the supplements to start with. And because I'm a little bit, I like to do things by the book, I had to do it religiously. Like, I wasn't going to mess about. I stopped using all my other shampoos and conditioners, and these were the only things I used. And I did do what it said. I left the shampoo in for 3 minutes, only gave it one wash. The conditioner, I wasn't always leaving it on for 20 minutes, like it said. Sometimes I'd just put it in and then comb it through, like if I was in a hurry, and rinse it out, or sometimes I would leave it in for a bit longer. The serum I used for the first 2 weeks, I think four times a week I used it, as it was recommended, and then once the 2 weeks was up, I then started on a solution as well. So I used the serum just 1 day a week, and I used the solution twice a week. With the solution, I think the serum I just put onto the patches, which was at the back, and then I had another small one developing on the top of my head. The solution was it was a little bit harder to apply, but it was worth it, because it like you had to apply it to the whole of the scalp, and you had to sort of massage it in for 5 minutes. But I did do that, and to be honest, the first thing I noticed, because as I said, I couldn't see it, so it wasn't something that I could easily check, or even if I was looking in the mirror, it was right at the back, so it was sort of hard for me to get to, and the only way I could really see it was to take a photo with my phone. So I didn't visually see it, but the first thing I noticed was a difference in the condition of my hair. I noticed that it was shinier, it was softer, and it just felt a lot stronger as well. I'll be fair, probably after about a month of using it, I started to notice myself the difference. I had a few white hairs coming through. I've probably been using it now for around about 2 months, and I must say I'm really pleased with it, because I do see that my hair is coming back, and I can see it quite clearly when I look back over my iPhone pictures from what it was like to start with to what it's like now. It's not grown back fully yet. I started taking the supplements also last week, as I was told that will actually help even more. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. But at the moment, like the progress, and as I said, I had the alopecia from the beginning of the year. The only thing I did try was the cream the doctor prescribed, but that didn't help. But from the 2 months of using Reseed, I've noticed phenomenal results, really, considering I've had it for quite a while. And yeah, as I said, just overall, I'm really happy that my hair's back to the way it was previously as well. So it's just in a much better condition.